This is a custom painting for Ray Lomika, and he's a very big fan of Tampa Bay sports, and he wants the planet to be Tampa Bay Rays colors, which is light blue, yellow, and navy blue, and the accents to be Tampa Bay Buccaneers colors, which is red, orange, and pewter, well, winter gray. Close enough. Let's start with a little bit of yellow, followed by navy blue, aqua, newspaper, crumple, 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 uncrumpulate it. Swing this foot up here. Mr. Potato Head socks. It's all the Mr. Potato Head pieces. Swipulate it. Swiperoo, Swiperonsky. Yeah. Dab. Store brand black, we're gonna add a shadow. With store brand white, a highlight. Shasha bowl, 50 cents at Walmart. Yeah. Gloss black. Not too close. We don't want puddles. Yeah. Winter gray. Yeah. Yeah. Orange. Yeah. Yeah. And red. Now we need to poop out some stars with some gloss white. Barely press on the cap until it starts sputtering little stars out. And then poop them out onto the paper. All angles. Yeah. And then a white shine on the top right opposite of the shadow. Shush, yeah. Freaking nice. Yeah. Yeah. Clear gloss. Now sign it. Nice. Shush, yeah.